Hey everyone, welcome back. Today is hopefully the final installment of the Tascam 388 Studio 8 repair. I've got the power supply, got the replacement IC, solder it in and fingers crossed. Alright, I'm just going to do this all with solder braid for no other reason than the solder sucker is really loud, and when I use it then I have to turn down the volume on the video. So here we go. There we go. Old versus new. Okay, and I'm going to bend a couple tabs over so it holds. And solder it back in. I'm going to move quickly because heat can destroy most ICs. I'm a little out of practice soldering. This used to be my full-time job, but it's been a few years. There you go. Now I'm nervous because we've reached the point where I put it back in and put my money where my mouth is. Let's see what happens. This is always the most nerve-wracking part of a repair, is after you go all in, order a part, pay for it, wait a week, put it in. Did you just fix the problem or do you have to start all over? So I think if I push play, these reels should turn. And it's not turning. Let me try a tape. Okay, something else is wrong. Let me check my voltages again. Well, does this shot look familiar? AC in, here we go. Okay, that's all good. I better make a new column here. Okay, I guess I'll start at the top. Deja vu, P6, pin 1. 8.8, that's what I had before. Yep, that's the same too. Oh, that's better. That is actually correct now. Okay, well, it wasn't all for naught, because I did fix one of these lines. So it's not that I didn't fix the problem, I fixed a problem, but there is another one. Pin 4 on connector 4. Okay, this one I fixed. It's supposed to be minus 15, I'm getting about minus 13. So that is fixed, that is fixed. This one is still low though, I don't understand that. Alright, I'm gonna have to do some more thinking. But we fixed something. I just need to figure out now what the other problem is, because I'm kind of out of things on this board to be wrong at this point. Well, at least we got the PV amplifier fixed. This thing, there's something else going on. I need to figure out what it is, but I wasn't wrong about that Mitsubishi chip, but apparently that wasn't the only problem. So we will be back in another video, and I'll let you know what I figure out. But that's the joy of fixing electronics. You're just fixing a bunch of things that you can't see with your own eyes. You just kind of have to know how to test them and have good intuition, and I'm not sure I have either. Especially as rusty as I am with this stuff. Spent the last 10 years putting in tile floors and replacing toilets instead of fun stuff like this, but I guess we'll catch you next time.